When I was building a dialogue experience between people and NPCs in VR, I faced this problem. How can I make people pay attention to the dialogue content and truly feel a sense of interaction, rather than passively watching a movie or reading a novel? This problem has a wealth of solutions in the world of 2D screen games, and I tried to borrow and apply its core features to the VR experience. My initial system relied on a standard click-to-continue button. While fully functional, it felt like reading a menu rather than interacting with a character. I realized I needed a dialogue response system that could feel haptic and spatial, just like the VR world itself. My solution is to use emoji-based interactive bubbles instead of text. In a virtual reality environment, symbolic emojis are more readable than text options and can keep the user's attention on the conversation. These bubbles I designed include haptic feedback and dynamic scaling. When you hover the mouse over an option, the bubble enlarges and vibrates. When a bubble is selected, it flies to the target location, while unselected bubbles pop and disappear. This provides the user with a sense of being listened to.
Our coffees and souvenirs are linked to the real world. You need to sign the parchment to confirm your understanding. It's okay if you don't want to sign the agreement. You can still enjoy our virtual experience.
I categorized my interactions into two logical types based on the narrative flow. First, there are branching nodes, where the player's reaction directly changes the path of the story. This gives the player true agency and a sense of impact on the conversation. The second type are sequential nodes. Even when the narrative path is fixed, giving the player the choice to react happily or neutrally maintains the illusion of presence. It ensures the player is always an active participant in the scene, rather than just a passive observer. As dialogue systems grow larger, how to present dialogue content using these two types of speech bubbles. I used an architecture based on scriptable object. Each dialogue fragment becomes a configurable node. Each node resource contains audio clips, caption text, branching logic, jump nodes, and termination confirmations. This is a concise, modular approach that separates narrative data from the underlying game logic, significantly accelerating iteration. In summary, this emoji dialogue response system enhances user engagement and sense of control through options, allows for emotional expression via emoji settings, and reduces reading burden. Now, let's look at the different final effects.
Bonjour is the French greeting for hello. You are in a French cafe painted by Van Gogh.
Bonjour.
Welcome. Please listen to me before you explore the shop. To my right is the cafe, where you can select ingredients to DIY your own exclusive coffee. To my left is the souvenir shop, where you can find unique gifts and collections. Our coffees and souvenirs are linked to the real world. You need to sign the parchment to confirm your understanding. It's okay if you don't want to sign the agreement. You can still enjoy our virtual experience. That means your consumption in the virtual world is available in the real world. You can see details in the parchment. The parchment is on the table. Once signed, the way will be open.